Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss a poem titled Written Extemore on the Seashore, written by Elizabeth Carter. Elizabeth Carter was an English poet, classicist, translator, renowned for her learning and literary skill. She was a prominent member of the Blue Stocking Circle, a group of intellectual women in the 18th century. Carter is best known for her translation of the works of the Greek philosopher Epictetus, but her poetry also reflects her intellectual depth and emotional insight. This poem consists of six stanzas. The stanza 1 begins like this: though restless, fluctuating deep, expressive of the human mind, in thy forever varying from my own inconstant self I find. While standing on a seashore on a moonlit night, all alone, she pondered the thought that went through her mind, which results this poem. That might be why she titled it Written Extemore on the Seashore. Extemore means spoken or written word without prior preparation or thought. The poem is a reflective meditation on the sea's parallels with the human mind. As the deep sleep fluctuates restlessly, so does the human mind with countless thoughts. Here, the sea waves are compared to human thoughts. Can we see the same wave again in the sea? No. Similarly, the human mind is flooded with varied thoughts, even her own. The poet observes the fluctuating nature of the sea, seeing it as a metaphor for her own inconstant self. This is what she discussed in the first stanza. Coming to the second stanza, how soft now flow thy peaceful waves in just gradations to the shore, while on thy brow unclouded shines the region of the midnight hour. In the second stanza of the poem begins by describing the sea's peaceful waves under the moonlight. The peaceful waves. It symbolizes a moment of inner calm and clarity. The change happens in the sea in the blink of an eye. Suddenly, the calm, serene waves can turn into a ferocious one. The waves, whether calm or stormy, appear in the sea continuously, like the human mind fills with peaceful, happy, and anxious thoughts or emotions. Here, the poet notices a cloudless sky where the moon appears brightly. She compares it to the human eyes and eyebrows. In the third stanza, best emblem of that equal state, which I this moment feel within, where thought to thought succeeding roles, and all is placid and serene. In this stanza, seeing the beauty of the sea. The poet expects something good is to happen in her life. She enjoys the beauty and calmness of the sea. The fourth stanza says, as over thy smoothly flowing tide, there light the trembling moonbeams dart. My lover Eudocia's image smiles and gaily brightens all my heart. The poet remembers the smile of Eudocia, a Greek saint, when she sees the moonlit shore. So, here, instead of mentioning the original name of the poet's beloved, she refers the name of Eudocia, and she compares Eudocia's smile with her beloved smile. How beautiful! The fifth stanza, but this flattering scene of peace, but neither can be long possessed. When Eros breaks their transient calm, and rising sorrows shakes my breast. She says, however, this tranquility is temporary, disrupted by winds. Here the poet refers to the eastern wind, Eurus, that stirs up the sea and represents poets' rising sorrows. Eurus symbolizes death, as the eastern wind hides the moonlight in the sky, disrupting the quietude of the night. The muddled thoughts spread darkness in the mind and might even destroy the peaceful mind. Coming to the final stanza of the poem, which goes like this: obscured thy Cynthia's silver ray, when clouds opposing intervene, and every joy that friendship gives shall fade beneath the gloom of flame. Here the poem concludes with the moon goddess Cynthia being obscured by clouds, reflecting how external troubles can overshadow the joy that friendship brings, leading to a melancholic state. So the poet advises us not to let our emotion overpower us, which may imbalance our existence. Control your emotions and lead a happy and prosperous life ahead. So, this is a short summary of the poem written Extemore on the Seashore, written by Elizabeth Carter. I hope all of you have enjoyed this. Thank you.